So this is the car that I'll be borrowing. I'll be talking to the guy first. So actually I searched on Facebook and I saw him that he's renting his pickup out, and then he offered me to borrow the pickup, and then he's really such a nice guy. This is a proof that a lot of Filipinos are really amazing people. A lot of Filipinos are helpful. So I will pick up now Joe, the one I gave him bike before, the construction worker. If you watched my previous vlogs, I gave him bike, a surprise. And then he's going me now to assist me. Hey Joe. Oh, it's locked, wait lang. How? Try. Yan. Sorry, it's my first time to use the pickup, Joe. Hindi ko alam paano. Good morning everyone. It's very early in the morning.
100 meters.
Wait lang, Waze ha. Lagi may sinabi pag ako kausap. So, it's November 8, 5:18 a.m. in the morning. I left Las Piñas at 5 a.m. pero it's already 5:18. You see, we are in Coastal now and the sun didn't come out yet. It's very shy. I want to go directly to the farmers, to the hardworking farmers, and pay them directly for the rice so that we can also help our local farmers, guys. Grabe, 5 a.m. traffic dito sa Pilipinas. Paano?
Rush hour na po yan.
5 a.m. rush hour, Joe? 5 a.m. people should be sleeping. Only those who go to the farms wake up early.
Kasi sipag ayaw abutan ng traffic.
Traffic talaga. Grabe. 5 a.m. Sabi mo kanina wala na traffic. I believed you.
Sa Cavitex lang.
Tignan natin guys, yung LRT dito, Lobat. Kulang sa charge. Mas mabilis ako. Paano?
Traffic.
Traffic pa rin. Second gear lang ako. Oh my god. Hard working talaga. A lot of people now, I just passed by, they are like harvesting. Oh la la, look at the rice. They put it in the daan. What if the car will drive on top? You should put warning, hazard. Dangerous. May kanin sa daan. Huwag ka makulit. Huwag ka malapit. So I saw an old man here. I'm going to U-turn. Then I'll go back. He's an old man. I guess he's a farmer. He's selling rice. So I'll have to U-turn. Hello po. Kamusta po? Magkano yung bigas ito? 750. Isang sako po. Masarap. Anong pangalan mo po?
Arsenio Santos.
Arsenio Santos. Ang pogi mo. Ano secret mo? Sige po. May gutom ako. So gusto ko bili lahat. Pakyaw paninda. Kunin ko lahat yung bigas niyo. Kasi alam ko yung farmers, yung natrabaho yung farmers, lagi mahirap, di ba? Tapos may ibang tao hindi siya appreciate yung natrabaho. So gusto ko bili lahat yung bigas para sa'yo. Papunta ako galing Manila. Alam ko malayo. Pwede ako bili sa Manila pero gusto ko bili sa'yo talaga kasi kayo yung farmers. Alam ko mahirap yung natrabaho mo. So, you can put this down kasi bili ako lahat. Hindi kailangan ito kasi bili ako lahat. Sige po. Tapos, may sobra. Yung sobra sa'yo. Sige. You can pwede kayo check. Like count yung money. Yung sobra sa'yo. Salamat po. Sige, Joe, sa kotse.
Papaturo kami sa inyo, sir, kung paano malakas pa rin.
Ito sa inyo po.
Kaya lang, wala na akong...
Okay na, pwede ano. Chuchu na lang. Oo, masarap yan po. Shout out to tatay, 71 years old. Hindi pwede yan sa Camry ko. Kailangan pick up. That's why we got this. See? Kahit I get all the sacks of Pampang. Si Joyce, ano, sunbathing. Ganda ba? Sunog. Ha? Sunog ka?
Jojo. Shit.
Okay po.
Wala.
Grabe. Ang laki yung tae. He will kick you with his ano.
Kapitan kita alam.
So I just borrowed the shirt of Kuya because it's long sleeves and it's so mainit. Hindi ako maarte. I'm gonna wear it para I don't get sunburn. I think it's maliit pero okay na. May karabaw dito. Grabe ang liit. Crop top. So this is how the rice looks like after it got harvested. So they're already done in here. Then we're going that side. This is where they're gonna continue on the other side. May tae dito.
Putik.
Dahan-dahan. Ang ganda yung buhay dito, Joe. Oo.
Simple lang.
Simple, ano?
Simple lang, kailangan mo magsipag.
Oo, kailangan sipag. Kailangan astig. Pero simple yung buhay dito. Ang ganda, wala na noise. Wala na kapitbahay. You just hear the birds. You hear the birds? Do you hear the birds? Right? So clean the air. Oh la la, this is okra, you see? It's so mahaba. Ito.
Mas mahirap pa po yung process kung paano magtanim. Tinututusok mo isa-isa.
Oo.
The very hard time for the farmers is the preparation. Some have, yung pong iba meron silang traktora. But others don't have. They use manual, like they use carabaos
Oo.
to
Harvest.
harvest. They use para ma-cultivate yung farm nila.
Para I will cook and feed the farmer. Kasi bili ako malaki kaldero. Sobrang laki talaga. Tapos welcome. And then this is the sheets, Tog Life sheets. Alam mo ito? Tawag, Tog Life sheets. I miss you.
You can bring it to you.
Thank you very much.
This is the small kamote.
Yung sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes.
Oh, kamote. So we just arrived here at night, guys. This is the Pacquiao Paninda. Some of them are already inside. I just arrived to my house now. It was super traffic going back all the way from Pampanga. I was also driving manual, pero it was sulit because we helped our local farmers. Thank you also to the guy who borrowed me his pickup. He wants to keep anonymous. I appreciate it so much. This is the real Filipinos, and that's the real generosity. Also, guys, I want to tell you that it's my birthday this November 11. So as a pasalubong for everybody of you, I'll be giving you November sale 11/11. I'm just kidding, guys. So if you want to send me anything, pasalubong or gift, you can send it to my milk tea shop, Yolo Bubble Milk Tea and Retro Diner. I'm gonna celebrate my birthday for the 7 years here in the Philippines without my family. Pero I have a bigger family, which is you guys, all the Filipinos who are supporting us and watching our vlogs, supporting us here in the Philippines. You are my big family. Mabuhay Philippines.